Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, the place where luxury meets performance on every wheel. Today, we're reviewing something that's not just a vehicle, but a lifestyle upgrade. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. Let's start with the first impression. This thing is absolutely stunning. Mercedes has done an amazing job blending the rugged practicality of a motorhome with the sophisticated styling you'd expect from a high-end luxury car. The bodywork is sleek, with smooth lines and a bold front grille that screams class. And those LED matrix headlights? Super sharp and functional, lighting up even the darkest back roads. Now step inside, and it's a whole new world. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome feels more like a luxury condo than a vehicle. You're greeted by a fully open-plan interior, packed with features like a slide-out living area, a full-size convertible sofa, and a 4K smart TV mounted on a swiveling arm for the perfect viewing angle. The kitchen is equally impressive, with a 2-burner induction cooktop, convection microwave oven, deep sink, and a full-size refrigerator. All appliances are smart-enabled, meaning you can control them via the central touchscreen or even your smartphone. Let's talk about comfort. The climate control system is dual-zone, so you and your travel partner can enjoy your own ideal temperature. There's heated flooring, dimmable LED mood lights, and blackout blinds for complete privacy when you're parked at your favorite camping spot or scenic overlook. Moving toward the rear, the bathroom is surprisingly spacious. You get a full, standing shower with a rainfall head, a porcelain toilet, and even a small vanity with a backlit mirror. For a vehicle of this size, the amount of room you get is impressive. The bedroom setup is ultra-cozy. A memory foam queen-sized bed with USB ports and reading lights on both sides and overhead cabinets for extra storage. You can even upgrade to a Murphy bed if you want more space during the day. Under the hood, you're looking at a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine paired with a 9G Tronic automatic transmission. It's quiet, efficient, and surprisingly powerful. Towing capacity: over 5,000 pounds. So yes, you can bring your bikes, kayaks, or even a small trailer with you. Driving this motorhome is nothing like traditional RVs. Thanks to adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, crosswind assist, and the active brake assist system, it's actually easy and safe to handle. Even if you're new to big vehicles, and for those of you who love boondocking or off-grid camping, there's an optional lithium battery package, solar panels, and a water purification system. Perfect for long trips into the wild without sacrificing any comfort. Let's be real, this isn't a budget-friendly vehicle, starting around $180,000 and climbing depending on your customizations. But if you're looking for freedom, comfort, and premium German engineering all rolled into one, this is it. That's a wrap on today's in-depth review of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome here on Honest Auto Wheels. If you're dreaming of hitting the road without leaving luxury behind, this might just be the ride for you. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more honest and exciting reviews, and let us know in the comments. Would you take this beast cross-country? Or is there another motorhome you'd like us to feature next? Catch you in the next one!